Hello, fellow Sign World owners. This is Nick Marchetti with AMI Signs, and this is the front entrance to our office. As you can see, we're located in a very professional office complex. My goal from the very beginning was to create a unique professional environment, which is unusual in the sign industry. And we believe we've done that, and it's become a differentiator for us. This is the main entrance, and we have approximately 2,500 square feet. And as you will see, we're pretty tight. We're actually in the process of looking for some new office space. I'm now going to go on to our main entrance. And you can see the first thing you see is an AMI sign in the lobby. And the second thing you see is our core values. These are very important to us, so we want to make sure that both the customers and our employees see those every day. As I enter into the office, I enter into the area that we use for mostly design and marketing. We have a little showroom area. We have a staging area where we keep signs that are ready to go out the door. If I come through, you can see the different cubicles we have set up. We have designers that work out of here. This is Emma. Emma's our customer success manager. She works on social media. She is the primary interface with our customers when they call in. And she also does a lot of design work for us. And she has the nicest view in the office. So now I'm leaving that office space and going back into the main shop area, and you can see there's Cole. Cole's our production manager, and he's putting together an ACM sign with some vinyl graphics there, but you can see behind Cole is our original HP 365 printer. You can see we have rolls of vinyl and some more branding, and there's our Graph Tech and our laminator. Walk over here, this is our computer station for managing all the jobs, and that's the original one that Terry built for us. Going back this way is my office. It used to be the design department, and they kicked me out and moved into the bigger office with the view, and I'm now in the smaller office. And you can see I'm set up for social media, and when I'm on a Zoom call, the AMI sign looks kind of small right now, but it's perfectly sized so that it fits over my shoulder while I'm on Zoom calls. This is Cole's workstation. There's our kitchen. We've wrapped a couple walls. And now I'm going to take you back to the garage area. Go through these double doors. And this is our garage area. You can see our company second vehicle, our company van. We have a garage door 12 feet high. Definitely get a 12-foot high garage door or higher. Good light in here. You see where we keep some of our tools. And this is our area where we have all of our leftover materials. We don't have really enough room. We're pretty tight in here. So we're kind of having these all stacked against the wall. If you follow me out the back door, you can see where we have tools here. We've got some storage shelves, toolboxes. We try to keep it really neat and clean. We go out the back door. You can see we have our backyard. And here's a bus we just finished putting graphics on. And that bus actually fits height and width-wise in our shop. We can get the back half in, do the work, turn it around, put the front end in. If it's a nice day like it is today, we'll just wrap that outside. So this is AMI Signs parking area out back. And you can see AMI Signs, our awesome garage, has its own doorway and entryway. So that's our facility. We are, as I said, we are looking for a new office space at the moment. and we're looking to move to about somewhere between 5,000 and 6,000 square foot, if not larger.